Yeah, welcome to Technic 360, a tech review hub that reviews technological inventions, ideas, breakthroughs, systems, tools, and what have you in the tech space. And in today's video, we'll be looking at some powerful AI image generators. And before we dive into that, let's have a little lecture, a brief on what needs to be done in order to generate a desired image. So here we have prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is all about constructing your statement, word, what have you, in a way that your image generator can get you the best image possible. So the way you construct your prompt depends on the idea you have about prompt engineering, and your prompt determines the image you will get at the end of the day. So this is a very important aspect of image generation. So you go through this document. A link to it will be on the description section. So do your due diligence by going through this document intentionally, okay? It's very, very important you do that so you can acquaint yourself with all you need to know before diving deeper into image generation. Okay, so in this video we'll be looking at a very important and powerful image generator known as Microsoft Designer. So a link to this page will also be in the description section, so you can click your way to this page. So once you're in this page using the link that will be provided, you head down to create at the top right corner. Create, you click create. So what do you want to create? In Microsoft Designer, there are different things you can create: invitation cards, wallpapers, and what have you. So you go to the section that says create with AI. Create with AI. So what do you want to create with AI? Avatars, background, banners. So you head down to images. You're interested in images. So it will take you to a new tab and window. So here we are. So here you can put in your prompt in this field, set the aspect ratio or size, then click create. Then below you have different templates you can use. So anyone that interests you, you can actually have a look at the prompt that was used in generating that image, like this one now, this guitar man and his children. When you click it, it will review the prompt. This is the prompt that was used in generating it, and the size is portrait. So if you want to use this as a template, all you have to do is just make a little change on the prompt, the size. You select the size of your choice and click create. But assuming this is exactly what you want, just click create. It will generate the image for you then you can download that. Okay, but if you want to have your own, you want your own image, all you have to do is you impute your own description. Okay, impute your own description. Okay, all right, so here you put in your description. What have you? So I have one I've written already. I copy and paste. So a futuristic city skyline at sunset with glowing airships, highlighted detail, cyberpunk style. So my size, okay, let me use square. Let me use square as the size. Okay, so if you click in this section, you can modify your prompt. If you click in this section, you change your size of the image that will be giving you. So once you are satisfied with that, you click create and watch the magic happen now. Microsoft Designer, a user-friendly, powerful image generator that you can also use to do other generations. Okay, so from our prompt, these are the suggestions, the images that were fetched for us, varieties of them. So you check your prompt. Does it resonate with the image generated? So you can, if you're okay, just click this download icon here. If you want to further modify it, pick any one. You can see you can edit the prompt from here. Then if you are okay, you just click download and you'll be able to use your image on any platform at all because it's a free image, it's not copyrighted. Okay, so that's it majorly about this powerful image generator. So let's try out another prompt. Okay, from our document here, I have some sample prompts I penned down here for your reference. Okay, let's make use of this. Let's get a forest, image of a forest. So here is the prompt. You copy, then come down to your Microsoft Designer and override this one. You paste. So this time around, what do we want? Which size? Let's use landscape size. Landscape size, okay? So if you are satisfied with that, you click generate and watch the magic happen. Okay, so this generator, Microsoft Designer, you don't have much settings to do. We have predefined settings already. Majorly is your prompt and the size. Make sure you give it a good prompt. Okay, so from the prompt we gave it, here are varieties of the image. Fantastic ones. Okay, so you pick anyone. If you want to further refine this now, you can just come to your edit, come to edit, a new window will be opened. You'll be taken to the in-app editor of Microsoft Designer, where you have tools, elements you can use to further enhance your image. Okay, if you want to add media to your image, see, you can get your own media or pick from the suggested ones. If you want a text, let's say you want a text on this image. Okay, so let's click this. You can see now we can add text here. Okay, you can say amazing forest. Okay, amazing forest. You can pick the text to any direction you want it. Amazing forest. If you want to work on the text further, amazing forest, all you have to do is highlight it and work on it using the tabs at the top of the image. You can use this to increase the size. As you can see, as I'm clicking the plus sign, the size of the text is increasing. You can use this to change the font style, the font color. Let's pick white. Oh, that's it. You can see the text color is now white. Let's bold it. Wow, amazing. As you can see, this is what we have. So when you're done, you click anywhere inside. Okay, you click the text, you can take it to any area you want on your image. Amazing forest. Okay, so when you are done, all you have to do is click download and you have your image ready. You can add visuals, a lot of things, media to your image. Very amazing editor by Microsoft Designer. Okay, so if you got value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification to be able to have access notified of new videos of this kind and other ones. So in other videos we'll review more of image generators, renowned powerful ones that we have. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. See you in other videos. Bye for now.